5 facts about pine trees. Pines are evergreen coniferous trees that belongs to the family Pinaceae. There are about 125 species of pines. Pine trees grow primarily in the northern hemisphere. Several species of pine have been artificially introduced to select temperate and subtropical regions in the southern hemisphere. Pines have leaves shaped like needles that remain on the trees throughout the whole year. When old needles falls, new needles quickly take their place. Pine tree needles can range in length from 1 inch to 11 inches. The pine trees have thick barks that are scaly. The branches of the pine trees are arranged in whorls around the bark. The bark of pine trees can be dark and furrowed like the white pine or divided into rectangular plates like the red pine. Cones are a key element for pine trees. Both female and male cones appear on a tree. The male cones are typically 1 to 5 centimeters long while the female cones are 3 to 60 centimeters long. The female cones produce seeds, while the male cones drop pollen. The pollen is carried by gravity or wind to the female cones, fertilizing the seeds. The seeds are winged and dispersed by wind and animals who consume these seeds. Size of the pine depends on the species. They can reach from 3 to 80 meters or 10 to 260 feet tall, with the majority of species reaching from 15 to 45 meters or 50 to 150 feet tall. The smallest are Siberian dwarf pine and Potosi pinyon, and the tallest is at 81.79 meters, 268.35 feet tall, ponderosa pine located in southern Oregon's Rogue River Siskiyou National Forest. Pine trees have a thick, scaly bark that leaks resin in most cases. Resin is a sticky substance that aids in the healing of the pine. Unfortunately, resin is highly flammable and it facilitates spreading of the forest fire. The resin, high terpene resin, is abundant in pine trees. Turpentine is made by distilling high terpene resin. Turpentine is used as a solvent in the production of varnish. Turpentine oil is now mostly utilized as a processed synthetic pine oil in the production of perfumes and as a scent component in cleaning products. The resin from pine is also used to treat insect bites, burns, and blisters. The pine tree is a habitat for squirrels, raccoons, birds, and other forest animals. Pines are long-lived, and typically reach ages of 100 to 1,000 years, some even more. The longest-lived species is the Great Basin bristlecone pine, Pinus longaeva. One individual of this species, Methuselah, is one of the world's oldest living organisms at around 4,800 years old. This tree can be found in the White Mountains of California. An older tree was discovered in Inyo National Forest. It is over 5,000 years old. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.